Hello, teachers! I am June Maog. Welcome to Google Workspace Storage Management for Educators, a guide to staying organized and avoiding storage limits. While Google Drive is reliable, it's always good to have a backup. This video demonstrates how to download files and folders from your Google Drive storage to your local drive. It's easy to download files from your Google Drive. What you need to do is go to your Google Drive, then right-click on a file and select Download to save it locally or so that it goes to the hard drive of your computer. Repeat as many times as you need. Can you download multiple files from your drive? Of course. Again, go to Google Drive, left-click a file, hold the Control or Command button, then left-click on other files to be downloaded. These files will be highlighted. Right-click on any one of the highlighted files and select Download. These files will then be saved to your local drive. You can also download folders and multiple folders. Again, go to your Google Drive, right-click on a folder this time, then select Download. The folder and all of its contents will also be saved to your local drive. Just repeat as many times as you need. How about multiple folders? Again, go to your Google Drive, left-click a folder, hold the Control button, then left-click on other folders to be downloaded. These folders will be highlighted. Right-click on any one of the highlighted folders and select Download. These folders and all of their contents will be saved to your local drive. If your local drive cannot handle too many files or nearing its capacity, it may be time to invest on an external hard drive. Let me now demonstrate to you how to download files, multiple files, folders, and multiple folders from your Google Drive into your hard drive or your local drive. Choose the file that you want to download. So let's say I want to download this slides file. I just click on it, left click on it, and then right click, and then choose download. How about multiple files? Because it can get quite tedious to download one file at a time. So what you need to do is choose all of the files. So click on the first one and then hold the Command or Control button and then click on others that you would like to download. There. Then right click and then choose download as well. And then you get a notification somewhere in your screen that says the download is being prepared. And once it is ready, you will also be given a notification. How about folders? You basically do the same thing. Just click on a folder and then choose download. So click the folder, just click on the folder, then right click and then choose download again. So it's the same as downloading a file. How about multiple folders? Is it also possible? Just like with multiple files, it's also possible to download multiple folders. So again, click on the file, then hold the Command or Control button, then click on the other folders that you would like to download, then right click, then choose download. Again, you would be notified that the download is being prepared, and then you'll also be notified if the download is ready. Take note that when you're downloading folders, all of its contents will also be downloaded. Backup important files from your cloud storage by downloading files and folders to your local drive. If your budget permits, an external hard drive is always a good option. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something about better managing your Google Drive storage. Bye!